This dance called We Will Rock You. It is a high beginner dance, 64 counts, 2 waltz. Let me show you the dance. We begin to the right side with a side touch, with the right leg, side touch. Then we go to the left side, also with a side touch, side touch. We go to the right again with a side together, side heel. Side together, side and heel. We do the same 8 counts on the left side. We begin with the left, side, touch, to the right, side, touch, and to the left again, side, together, side, and heel. The next 16 counts are the same pattern 4 times. We are going to do a toe, heel, stomp, and the hold. We begin with the right foot, toe, heel, stomp, hold, then the left side, toe, heel, stomp, hold, again with the right, toe, heel, stomp, hold, and last time with the left, toe, heel, stomp, hold. Right foot is free. Now we are going to do a V-step, out, out, in, with a quarter turn to our left. We begin with the right, out, out, in, quarter turn, and we do it once again, out, out, in, with a quarter turn. So we begin at 12 o'clock, now we are at 6 o'clock, and we do the last 2 parts. We are going to do a side touch to the right and then a side touch to the left with some holds. First we do a side and the hold, then a touch and the hold, then to the left side, side, hold, touch, hold. We also use our arms by these steps. We go right side and the arms come from the left side to the right, and then the other way around we go to the left side and the arms go from right to left. Okay, so we go to the right side, hold, touch, hold, then to the left side, side, hold, touch, hold. The next combination begins also with the right foot. We make a cross rock and come back with a stomp on the side. With the right foot over the left, cross, back to the left and the stomp, and then with the left on the other side, cross, rock, on the other side a stomp. You can also make it the Catalan way, cross, rock, side, stomp, cross, rock, side, stomp. I am going to show you the dance with counts 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was our dance. I hope you enjoyed the watching, and I hope you're going to dance it too.